Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wondered how to make navigating your Notion workspace smoother and more intuitive, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build a simple yet effective navigation bar inside Notion, making it easier for you or anyone you share your workspace with to jump between key pages. We're keeping things beginner-friendly, but you'll walk away with a technique that can be customized for any setup. Let's jump straight in. The first thing we need to do is add a column to our Notion page. Columns in Notion help organize different content side by side, sort of like shelves in a library. To create one, simply grab a block, any block, maybe a text or divider, and drag it next to another block until you see that vertical blue guideline appear. This tells Notion you want these elements next to each other rather than stacked. Once you see it pop into place, release your mouse, and you've got yourself a nice column. If you're new to Notion, take a second to play around with this. It's a really handy way to organize complex pages, and you'll use this skill again and again. Now, let's focus on the actual navigation bar. Click into your new column and add a toggle block. Toggles are great because they let you hide or reveal content. Think of it as a drawer you can open or close whenever you need. Name this toggle Navigation Bar. By labeling it clearly, you set the expectation for both yourself and anyone else navigating your space. This is where your shortcuts live. Don't worry if you're still figuring out Notion's toggles. They're simply expandable content holders, and you can always rename or move them as your workspace evolves. With your navigation bar toggle created, let's add our key navigation items. Click into that toggle and create two toggles inside it, one for home and another for products. These are going to act like your primary navigation links. You might be thinking, why not just list the links? Well, using toggles underneath your main navigation bar keeps things organized and gives you the flexibility to expand into subpages or sections down the line. For example, later, you could nest extra resources or related links under products if your workspace grows. So your navigation bar now contains toggles labeled Home and Products. Let's add some actual pages to make those toggles useful. Click into each toggle and inside select plus add a page. Notion will instantly create a dedicated subpage named whatever you like. By default, it'll use the name of your toggle, but you can change it to anything that fits your workflow. Under Home, you might put your dashboard or an introduction to your workspace. Under Products, you could link to descriptions, features, or inventory. It's totally up to you. Adding these pages beneath each toggle not only makes navigation easy, but it keeps your sidebar tidy and focused, especially as your workspace expands with time. And just like that, you've got a straightforward, customizable navigation bar. This may seem simple now, but having a central spot for navigation is one of the secrets to staying organized inside Notion. You can always expand your navigation bar as your needs change. Just repeat the steps, add more toggles or pages, and rearrange things as needed. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment if you have any questions or if you want ideas for customizing your navigation bar even further. And of course, subscribe for more practical Notion tutorials. I'll be sharing lots more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!